Well, we finally cleaned up this lilac row. It's a bed here that is a flower bed essentially with a few lilac trees in it. The lilacs are way past blooming. That happened back in spring, and the bed was mostly occupied with muscari from the spring, and then the green foliage kind of covered the whole bed for a long time, and then that dried up, and it became a bed of dried up muscari leaves and weeds. And so we're still weeding this way back here, but we've weeded a good chunk of it here, and we're now at the end of August, and I still have some flowers in pots to put out. Some Craspedia, which is this little sunball thing, which I don't know if I'll get any kind of flowering action from it this year at this point. We also have some straw flowers and some salvias, and of those, the salvias technically could be perennial, although I had salvias in this bed last year and they didn't last. They didn't come back this year. I'm not sure if maybe we pulled them out by accident when we were otherwise weeding the bed in the spring or what, but I've replanted some salvias here. I'm in the process of planting the I've replanted some salvias here. I planted the straw flowers that we had left over, and I'm in the process of planting the Craspedia. And you know what? If it doesn't bloom, that's okay. The leaves and the foliage of it look cute enough for this little bed right now. Those are good.
Well, I've got a bit of a mystery here with my Napa cabbage that's been growing in the basement nursery. It is bolting again, and the temperatures down here have been less than 70 degrees in the high 60s, so I don't think it's too hot. It shouldn't be bolting like that. I'm wondering if it's growing quickly and then getting too crowded, and that's causing it to bolt. I'm not sure. I haven't had this kind of issue before. It could just be that where I got the seeds for this round of Napa cabbage is just more susceptible to bolting. I'm just going to, not all of it's bolting this time, so I'm just going to pull out the bolting pieces and maybe thin it out, and hopefully that'll give me some Napa cabbage left for the fall planting here.
One of my favorite flowers this season has been this African Zulu Prince Cape Daisy. Hey, I'm excited to share with you all my first Lisianthus flower. Well, this season my pumpkin patch is really not producing. I think I only have one Halloween pumpkin on here, and I've got a couple of little small ones on vines. This is also kind of the cucumber patch along the trellis, and that's doing fine. I've been getting some cucumbers off of it, but the pumpkins, not so much. And I've seen other people talking about this. It seems like this has been a year of just a profuse amount of male flowers, not a whole lot of female flowers to pollinate. My runner beans are getting started. We have a pretty diverse harvest today. I've got eggplants and beets, some broccoli, chard, of course lots of kale. I even have some lettuce, cucumbers, yeah, everything, beans. The beans are really coming in now, so I'm harvesting both bush beans and my purple climbing beans. I need 2 baskets to harvest today.